For me, the meaning of life is twofold. One, it's about enjoying the passage of time. It's about looking forward, yes, but it's also about looking back, like we are today, and just appreciate every single beautiful moment that we've been able to collect in this short amount of time we call one life. And the second part is recognizing just how short life can be. If nothing else, COVID taught us this. So, class of 2020, if there's just one thing you take away from this speech today, it's that you matter. Your life matters. Your time matters. And because our time here as a family, as a human group, we owe it to ourselves to take advantage of every single moment. Thank you and congratulations again.